And 95 is in critical condition after an officer discharged the weapon at a care home in Cuma, New South Wales NSW.
Hey, this is Kalam. This video I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animation video using for free. It's 100% free. If you all live in Africa, Asia, Europe and America, there is no matter where you live in because this company work worldwide. First, I'm going to credo.ai. This link I will attach in description below. Please check it, then click here. Then this is the homepage for credo.ai. So you need to log in here. Just put your email and username. And this is the click here for free. So I need to click here. Then you need to add video character. Example of if you need to female, then select female. So if you need to male, then choose a male. Doesn't matter. So I choose this one. So you need to paste your copywriting. Example of I'm going to BBC News. Then put your news character. So example of I copy this one, then go to again, then paste your copywriting, then you need to choose a language. So I prefer to English, United States. Then choose a character tone. So I need a male tone. Example of Brandon. So this is good. Then I am going to adjust space rate. This is you need to here.
Clarnowland, 95, is in critical condition after an officer discharged the weapon at a care home in Cuma, New South Wales NSW, on Wednesday.
Okay.
Police say Ms. Nowland had moved towards them at a slow pace with a knife.
This is good.
NSW Police Commissioner Karen Webb said she was not sure why there were calls for the footage to be released.
Now, you need to click here for generating video. So you can see here a button generate video. So I click here, then wait a few seconds. Now you need to click here for generating video. Just generate video, click here. Then please wait few seconds. Now just click here for download. So I can click here for download. Wow, this video already start download. Please wait few seconds. So this is the video. So I play it.
Clarnowland, 95, is in critical condition after an officer discharged the weapon at a care home in Cuma, New South Wales
Wow,
NSW.
this is really beautiful. So if you want to more video in this topic, please subscribe this channel and turn on notification bell and click the like button. See you next video. Tata.